Okay, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so today is Tuesday, our computer. So I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our fourth quarter. We are on our week 2. Our lesson for today is all about netiquette. So listen very carefully as I explain to you what is netiquette. Okay? So children like you should be taught with the basic internet etiquette, with which includes responsible way of communicating with others. It is also helps in avoiding making mistakes in sending message. It is important to be aware of the same or simple things in sending and receiving messages or emails. So okay. Okay, what is etiquette? So, etiquette is the conduct or practice required by good breeding or breeding to be observed in a social life. So, that is the practice of required by good breeding to be observed in a social life. That is etiquette. What is netiquette? So, netiquette, children, is the social code of network communication. It is the social code. In forms of communication nowadays, cyber communication or communication is the fastest and easiest to use. Besides chatting, there are also emails, blogs, web posts, and even bulletin boards on the internet. While cyber communication is the confident, children like you involved are highly at risk. Okay? So, okay. Here are some rules when interacting with people over the internet. Okay? So, there are 6. Okay? So, listen very carefully. Always choose your words carefully. Okay? Before you post or send a message, use this basic checklist. Number 1, are you sending it to the right person? Number 2, is the screen name or email address correct? Number 3, are there no spelling mistakes in the address and message body? Okay? When you receive an email from someone, save the email address in your contact or contacts. You can select the address directly from your contacts in case you have to send message to the person in the future. Also, keep track of the changing email addresses or names of the people you are sending to, like in a social networking sites. Okay, number 2. The internet is not a weapon. It is not fair to talk about other people while you are online. Your words can be copied and forwarded without your permission. While some people enjoy receiving and reading messages, many people do not. Remember that there are many harmful users in the cyber world, whose only purpose is to spread fear through nasty lies. Number 3, who is the message for? Many of unconfirmed messages, like jokes and chain letters, are being sent daily. Do not waste yours and other people's time by sending junk information. Everyone does not have the time to read them and all in the day. As much as possible, avoid sending attachments unless you have been requested to do so. Number 4, talking about controversial matters. When you are chatting in the chat group or in a message thread about discussing hot topics, this may include religion, race, and gender-related issues. You never know when your comments might hurt someone else's feelings. Likewise, be careful with conversing with people from other countries and cultures. Do not judge their beliefs or customs. If you are not sure about how things would in their country, let the person explain it but never interrupt. The shared information can be an added knowledge on you. Number 5, avoid unfriend or unfollow buttons. In using the social networking sites, gather and add only the people you really know. It will be impolite if you later decide to remove them in your list of friends in case future problems would arise. For your new friends, identify their background because including them in your friends circle. Okay, use technology is a privilege. If you say or post something insensitive, apologize right away. If someone says he was offended by what you said, tell him you are sorry and it will not happen again. If you are the offended party, write to the person and politely explain why his comments or message hurt you. Never force someone to apologize. Keep in mind that the use of internet is a freedom to express our thoughts and actions, but it can be restricted at any time if you avoid or violate the rules. Always make every day or every effort to clarify in your communication. It will minimize possible misinterpretations. Okay, so the internet terms. Whenever you are a new user of the internet or an experienced web surfer, the useful information below will make you confidently navigate through online culture. So these are the rules when interacting with people over the internet. Okay. So, internet jargon or expression and their meanings. So, these are the jargon or expression and then its meaning. So, listen as I read all about the jargon expressions. Okay, LOL. Laugh out loud. BRB, be right back. ADR, or addressed. AFR, away from keyboard. BFN, bye for now. BBL, be back later. NP, no problem. Okay, BIR, parent in room. BTW, by the way. ASAP, as soon as possible. BFF, best friends forever. DND, do not disturb. FAQ, frequently asked questions. EOM, end of message. GTG, got to go. JK, just kidding. NM, no message. OMW, on my way. OTP, on the phone. TNX, thanks. W/O without. W/with. WB, welcome back. Okay, so the internet abbreviation and acronyms. So, the abbreviation and its meaning. So, WW, World Wide Web. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Markup Language. XML, Extensible Markup Language. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. IP address, Internet Protocol address. Email, electronic mail, blog, weblog, ISP, Internet Service Provider, IM, instant messaging, PM, private messages. So the internet text emoticons. Smileys, also known as emoticons, are glyphs used to convey emotions in your writing. They are a great way to brighten up posts. So I will show you the different text emoticons. Okay, so that's R. So text smiles are created by typing 2 or more punctuation marks. So these are the examples of smiley or smileys or the emoticons. Okay, that's the embarrassed, grin, tongue, crying, shouting, evil, angry, mischievous, grinning wink, blushing, oops, undecided smirk, grimace, gaps, confused, wink, tongue, lips are sealed, wink, kiss, innocent, many mouth, smile, not amused, angry tongue, frown, cold, straight face, and sleeping. So these are the examples of emoticons. Okay, so do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, if you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my